Take command of the road in the 2010 Toyota Highlander. It features an automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, a built-in garage door transmitter, heated seats, front fog lights, heated door mirrors, and remote keyless entry. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Third-row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 7. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.